Hey guys, it's good to be back. Today we are going to be exploring another side of the world of wigs. We're going to unravel the secrets of installing your wig using adhesive and, more importantly, how you remove it. So are you ready to become a wig pro? Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need your wig adhesive, a wig cap, and some patience. Start by securing your natural hair. This might mean braiding it down or putting it in a low ponytail. The goal is to get it as flat as possible. If you're like me, you can skip this step. Next, you're gonna put your wig cap on. This protects your hair and your scalp and provides a smooth surface to apply your wig. So something to keep in mind too is that you really wanna work on a clean surface. So you wanna make sure you don't have any makeup around your hairline before you install your wig cap. Now we are gonna go ahead and take our spray and spray this cap down onto our hairline. Now it's time to apply the adhesive. Apply it to your hairline. Do this in a thin layer, letting it get tacky, and then applying another layer. Repeat this step 2 to 3 times. I'm gonna let this dry and you're gonna find out about the wig passport. Hey guys, I wanted to step in and remind you, if you haven't yet, make sure you go over to our website and grab your wig passport. This is a free all-in-one wig guide with a bunch of wig tips and tricks to help you along your wig journey. Now back to the video. With the adhesive ready, gently place the wig on your head. I like to do this in a fishbowl motion so that the lace does not touch where I want it to until I'm ready to lay it down. You want to take your time and make sure you secure and position it just in the right spot. Now you want to take your band or your scarf and lay it down around your hairline. You want to have this be on tight, but not too tight. You're going to let this stay on for about 15 minutes, then you can remove it. I like to take a rat tail comb and use that to lift any hairs that have stuck down to the lace. Then I take my spray and spray down any areas I see that need a little extra hold. You can style this and then you are ready to rock your new look. But now, how do you safely take this wig off? First, don't rush. Gently lift the wig from the back, moving slowly towards the front. This is naturally going to be easier as the day goes on because this glue is going to slowly dissolve and wear as you wear it. If you find areas where the adhesive is particularly stubborn, use a bit of wig adhesive remover or gentle oil or a makeup remover wipe to help loosen it up. Never pull or force the wig off. Once the wig is removed, gently wash your scalp to remove any residual adhesive from your wig and your forehead. And there you have it. This was not that hard, guys. We got through this together, and remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. I've been practicing this for years and I'm still learning new stuff. Check out our latest video here, and I'll see you guys on the next one.